training out of Aslan team, representing Russia, ИДРИС, АБДУRAШIDOV. And introducing his opponent out of the red corner, training out of İHA Bishkek and Tiger Muay Thai, holding an MMA record of 6-1. Representing Kyrgyzstan, КАЗАКБАЙ TILENOV.
Red here, blue. Here, please. Right, both understand the rules. Let's keep this clean, keep it active. Obey my instructions at all time. Touch glove if you want. Back to your corners.
Referee Mr. Suleiman laying down the law in this one.
Time. You ready?
This is the place for dreams to come true and to get a potential $100,000 invitation to the big leagues. World's largest stage of martial arts. ABDURASHIDOV starting off looking very comfortable, confident in his debut.
Very light on his feet, looking for the counter left hook while stepping back now. Well, momentarily there at grappling exchange, TILENOV looking for the Russian tie, releasing it, going to the low kick there, almost in the calf. A nice technique to slow down the motion, this light, loose footwork of ABDURASHIDOV.
Like you said, Brian, these two been training partners in the past. Oh, big shot there from ABDURASHIDOV as he catches TILENOV, as he's desperate for the takedown here. Trying to neutralize, but he took a big shot over the top there, Brian.
Beautiful long-range combination.
Biz 3,5 миллионго жеттик. Biz бардык жердебиз. Күн сайын болгон аракетибизди жумшап келебиз. Жашооңуздарды ыңгайлуу кылыш үчүн, жаңы мүмкүнчүлүктөрдү жаратыш үчүн, мыкты болуш үчүн, сиздерге кубаныч тартуулаш үчүн. Biz birge өсүп өнүгүүдөбүз. Ар дайым чогубуз. Сиздердин О.
ABDURASHIDOV a little bit taller, a little bit longer, utilizing that length with the footwork. Beautiful hook and a straight there at long range. TILENOV hurt, still looking like he's having trouble. Those two shots very clean, landing from ABDURASHIDOV.
It is going to be hard to recover from that, especially with the type of game plan that TILENOV has. Oh, and he gets caught again by ABDURASHIDOV as he swarms. TILENOV now trying to get the finish. Flying knee attempt there. Oh, what a barrage of combinations, Brian.
Elite level distance control here on display by ABDURASHIDOV. He locked TILENOV into that jab. His footwork is so clean, the way he gets in and out, stays at range beautifully. TILENOV needs to close the distance and get this thing to the ground quick.
Oh, another combination there from ABDURASHIDOV. He's throwing strikes from all kinds of angles, different parts of his body, but the combination with the hands seems to be money every time he throws that, Brian.
He's also demonstrating pretty clean takedown defense here as well. TILENOV working to get inside. ABDURASHIDOV stuffing the takedown each time, and then back to that loose light footwork. There's a nice jab from TILENOV.
ABDURASHIDOV appears to have the speed advantage in this one. I want to see more of what TILENOV was just successful in, catching the timing, trying to get the guess on the movement of ABDURASHIDOV, because the speed is definitely to the advantage of the Russian.
TILENOV really struggling to deal with the jab here from ABDURASHIDOV, firing that thing down the middle. You can see the blood here on TILENOV's face. His nose just blown to bits by this pumping left hand. ABDURASHIDOV right over the top. Beautiful punching.
Pinpoint accuracy here from ABDURASHIDOV. He told us how much he believes in his striking, how much he believes that he can finish fights with the wide range of techniques that he has in his arsenal, Brian.
Now, we might not see those things displayed because he is so good with the jab right now. He is winning this fight with that left hand alone. Beautiful follow all the way to the high kick.
Tilenov is taking some big punishment here. And ABDURASHIDOV starting to have his way in this fight, completely smashed up the face of Tilenov. You are looking at a warrior from Kyrgyzstan here. He's got that poker face, but he's just taking so much damage with ABDURASHIDOV.
Wow, another follow-up left hook to high kick. Right hand down the pipe. ABDURASHIDOV. Really, it's his footwork that sets up this control of the distance and his ability to catch Tilenov with shots as he comes in, as he stays stationary, and as he goes back. ABDURASHIDOV, too, utilizing the jab. It saves him a lot of energy. He's going to come into the second round very fresh. He's staying loose and relaxed, popping that jab out there like a sniper. Just very clean work here with that left hand's demonstrated by the fighter from Russia.
Beautiful spinning back kick to the body there from ABDURASHIDOV. He's starting to showcase his full arsenal of techniques. Just one step ahead of Tilenov with every exchange. He's got the guard up high, not underestimating his opponent. There's no doubt that Tilenov is tough. Right now, he really is struggling to find a rhythm against the dangerous ABDURASHIDOV.
Wow, took the left kick high again. Tilenov really demonstrating extreme tough, taking a ton of damage in that first round.
Non-stop action in that first round.
Let's go!
This is where established fighters or up-and-comers who want to earn a shot at the highest levels of the world in the flagship one, they need to show dominance. They need to show what they're all about. And right now, ABDURASHIDOV, see if he can defend the takedown of Tilenov. Defends the first one. Chain takedowns now from Tilenov. Appears to be some kind of injury on the way out there of that takedown. And just the pure pressure of ABDURASHIDOV.